before that, maybe I can just go through a bit about the history. So when is the first oil well being discovered in the history of mankind? So the first well is discovered in Pennsylvania, USA by Colonel Edwin L. Drake. So this well, the depth is 22 meters. It started to produce in 1859, and this oil was sold for about $40 per barrel. So this is a bit about the history of a well, the first well in the world. And when is the first oil well being discovered in Malaysia? So it was in Miri number 1 well, located. It was located at the stand on top of Bukit Telaga Minyak, Canada Hill. So we can see this Grand Oil Lady well in Sarawak. Okay, and it was drilled in 1910. It's about 100 years ago. Okay, so because the audience, when I see the demographic of the audience, ada sebahagian maybe from non-oil and gas. So I try to make it in a layman term. So if siapa-siapa pernah pergi Petro Science, actually minyak ni dia bukan duduk dalam takungan tau. Memang dia panggil reservoir. Reservoir maksud dia takungan. Tapi dia bukan macam takungan air yang macam telaga air tu, bukan. Dia minyak ni dia duduk dekat dalam batuan. So some people think that oil is a big pool kan, underground, but actually all the oil tu dia trap dekat dalam tiny pore space, dalam rongga-rongga dekat dalam batuan tu. So and then more this pore ni too small lah, kalau nak tengok dengan mata kasar dia sangat kecil. Dan kalau nak tahu macam mana betul-betul batuan yang ada minyak tu, pergi kat Petro Science, yang dekat mana minyak tu berada sebenarnya. Dia bukan macam takungan air tu, bukan. Dia nama je takungan, nama je reservoir, tapi reservoir tu adalah sebenarnya batuan yang mengandungi minyak. Next, geophysics is a sub-discipline under geology. Geophysics ni dia akan find a reservoir by bouncing sound wave of them. So kita akan prepare seismic survey. So from this seismic survey ni, kita akan hantar wave ke dalam bumi, dan wave tu akan kembali kepada kita dan kita akan dapat balik bacaan wave tu, gelombang tu, dan daripada gelombang tu kita boleh interpret dan kita boleh tahu bentuk muka bumi kat dalam. So from that information, we're going to get the seismic 3D and 2D punya cross section, and then computer with the current technology will process all those data, and it will give us some picture underground, how does the reservoir minyak, kawasan minyak tu bentuk dia macam mana. So kat mana kita boleh drill untuk kita dapat minyak tu. So this is just to give some insight that geologist is one of the discipline in oil and gas ni yang sangat penting, sebab dia yang membantu kita cari kat mana lokasi yang ada minyak. Okay, this is just a cartoon ataupun so-called figure how the reservoir is underground. So in underground ni kita kena bayangkan cross section of muka bumi dekat bawah. Dia akan ada reservoir ni atas dia ada cap rock. Cap rock ni dia akan halang minyak tu daripada terlepas ke permukaan bumi. So kita takkan, kalau tak ada cap rock ni, tu yang dia lepas dekat permukaan bumi tu, jadi kita nampak minyak atau gas tu bubble out dekat permukaan bumi. So reservoir dekat bawah ni akan mengandungi air, minyak dan gas. So water, oil and gas. Dan dia akan ditutupi oleh cap rock dan dia akan stay dekat bawah. That's why kita kena drill telaga untuk dapatkan oil tu dan gas. Drilling overview. In definition, drilling ni is a tool or machine with a rotating cut used to make hole. So dia adalah alat penggerudian untuk hasilkan lubang. So that is for drilling, in definition, is to make a hole in a hard material with a drill bit. So kalau in term of the context setting for oil and gas, drilling ni is the act of drilling a hole in the earth in hoping of producing hydrocarbon. So drilling is that is the process of drilling. Kita harap bila kita drill, kita jumpa hydrocarbon.